Welcome back to Words of Encouragement. I want to tell you about something that happened yesterday that ended up encouraging me, and so I thought I would pass it on to you. All of you know, or I hope you know by now, my little Australian Shepherd girl, Ozzy. Well, she is in estrus right now, and yesterday she managed to get out of the gate, and off she went down through the neighborhood, sniffing and smelling to her heart's delight. And of course we were worried, we didn't want her to get run over or anything, so off we went after her, and I caught up to the house in the backyard where she was, and I went down in my neighbor's backyard, and I crouched down, and I called her name, I patted my leg, and I called her name, and Ozzy girl, come here, and she came running into my arms, and I picked her up, and got her into the car, of course, telling her the whole time, I'm so glad you're not a St. Bernard. I'm so glad you're not a St. Bernard. So I got her in the car. We got safely home and back into the gate and everything. But it got me thinking about something. You know how life can get so busy, and sometimes it's fun things. Sometimes it's stressful and it's hectic and it's chaotic, but sometimes it's just fun things that get us just so busy in life, and we're running here to check out this and we're running there to go on vacation or to do whatever. Don't forget, when life gets that busy, that you have a home to come back to. Whatever your home is, if that is the most special person in your life, or it's your children, or it's that one special thing, maybe it's just your home for the day is a wonderful, lovely cup of hot tea. Whatever your home is, it reminds me of the scripture in Luke 15:4, where the Lord said, a man will leave 99 to go after the one that is lost. So don't forget, if you feel lost, don't forget to come home. And we'll see you next time on Words of Encouragement. Bye-bye.